the federal government has finally fulfilled its 3-decade-old promise of house allocations to members of the 1994 Super Eagles squad that won the Africa Cup of Nations in Tunisia.
To add to that, they say, meanwhile, we should recall that former President Muhammadu Buhari approved the implementation of this in 2022.
Please, can you people remind me how many of them have died?
That is the question.
Is Christian Chuku?
Yes.
That is the question.
Many of them don't die. Go.
Don't blame the patriotic Nigerians that changed their nationality.
That's what I want to say.
Okay.
Don't blame them. Because you say these people, they are the best squad Nigeria ever had. 34 years. Even if a baby was in the womb for 34 years, at Yeyin.
What I want to bring out here, how Nigerians wanted a patriotic to their country.
Ojo.
Yes.
May we go the matter of one policeman where they complain which they say
2 million.
after 35 years of active service for police, now 2 million naira.
I should make a shock you. Choma and Juwan, he won a medal for Nigeria. After 25 years before they could give her the house.
31 years now in take those way win. Then win Nations Cup that same year.
Yes, now.
Our last Nations Cup na 2013. Before them go give those ones their own.
We can even extend this thing to soldiers. Military. Because if the military see how somebody wait there in front of you, according to Benin language, is zaga, that is scatter. And you go there, you won't carry yourself, go that place. You they go army, they go war front, nobody they come back. And when you come back, the person will come back, will get injury. Na vision they give
them. And yet, they go come the beg some people say, join military now.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.